Good morning, class family. It's a marvelous Monday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you are a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with today's date. November 8th, 2021. Dear class family, today is Monday. We will learn a lot at school. We will do a sort of pictures that start with the letter T and letter B. Then we will hear patterns in the book Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. We will write pattern sentences. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, let's talk about what we're doing today. This morning during language arts. Do you remember the date? Let's read it again together. November 8th, 2021. Did you notice the capital N like N, nut, N? We always have a capital letter to start each month of the year. That's why we have a capital N for November. And look, I see N-O-V period. That's the abbreviation for November. Did you remember that? Pat yourself on the back if you did. After our greeting, dear class family, look at the first telling sentence. Let's read it again together. Today is Monday. It is Monday. Did you notice that the word Monday starts with a capital M, like man, M? We always start each day of the week with a capital letter. And we also start each sentence with a capital letter. What capital letter do you see right here in the word today? Look back. What is that letter? I heard you say it. T, like T-top. T. Let's look at the next sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. That's what students do every day. We learn a lot in different subjects and pump our brains with knowledge. We will do a sort of pictures that start with the letter T and letter B. Okay, so we're going to be doing a sort. So we're going to review pictures and words that start with the letter T. Remember, we make a T, we're going to pull down and then across. And we're also going to be looking at ones that start with the letter B. Remember, when you're making a B, go down, up, and around. So this morning, we're going to be doing a picture sort. We're going to put a T chart on chart paper, and we are going to have the letter T on the left and the letter B on the right. And we're going to look through all of these different pictures together. And we're going to say them out loud. And we're going to think, what does that start with? Does it start with a T like T-top, T? Or does it start with a B like B-bat, B? So we're going to look through all of these different pictures together, and we're going to be doing our sort of words that have T for the initial sound or B at the beginning. All right. Then we will hear patterns in the book, Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Okay, so we're going to be looking at Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. And we're going to hear pattern sentences. Remember, authors can write with pattern sentences. So we're going to see what the pattern is in this book, Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. We will write pattern sentences. Okay, so we're going to be writing pattern sentences today. And when we do that, we are going to be starting our book. I love my white blank. You're going to figure out what your book's about. I know in Pete the Cat, it's I love my white shoes. So you're going to be thinking about what you're going to be focusing on for your story. And then for each page, we're going to be able to draw the picture and trace, I love my white, and then we're going to figure out what it is you're focusing on for your book. And then we're going to go through this week and add to the pages. So the next one is, I love my red. So we're going to go through and do this during writing workshop. Okay, so remember today when we are reading, we're going to be reading books. I read to understand and learn. And you're going to be a great communicator all day long. Make sure you speak clearly so that we can understand you. And get ready because we're going to start our communication with this question in a T-chart with yes, no answers, and tally marks. Look at the picture. Before we get busy on all of these things with our sort and Pete the cat, let's answer this question. Do you like oranges? Well, do you? Think about if your answer is yes or no, and then we're going to share that out loud and practice our good communicator skills. Do you like oranges?